Hello everyone, welcome to the Finland Academy and Amtrade Software. In the series of Market Decoded, today we are going to look at how week was and what are the key levels for coming week. So in this week, market has continued to improve. This is the sixth week where we are seeing the continuous upside momentum, and this week has ended on the higher note. From a percentage perspective, it has gained near about by 1%. So in this upside momentum, let's say specifically in this week, the engine of the market, that is a Nifty Bank or a Nifty Finance, has not supported quite well. They were in fact the down near about by 0.6 to 0.7%. But in this week, we have seen the breakout, which has acted as a quite defensive and took a backseat in a prior upside momentum. So Nifty IT has given a very strong breakout. Nifty FMCG and pharma stocks, they have started to revive and pick up its momentum again. So we can see a certain kind of a continuous movement in this particular sector. And apart from that, from past couple of weeks, we are seeing the very extra performance from the CPAC stocks or energy specific stock which belongs to the governments. So those also companies are doing quite well. Now looking at the technicals of the market, so as of now we are at an all-time high level, and all we concern that means what can be our potential future levels or what can be the upside potential levels. So those upside potential levels from a Fibonacci extension perspective, we can refer as a reference point, but not as a very strong resistance levels, because in a positive trend, the support level has a more important, the resistance level has a less relevance. So in this upside momentum, unless and until the prices are not breaching any kind of support level, we can say that the momentum is a positive on the high side. But from the Fibonacci extension perspective, at least we can have the reference point or upside potential, that what are the key levels to look forward. So for that purpose, I'm looking into the history and I'm taking the major moves that has gone by. So let's say if I take this move, it now beyond the Fibonacci levels, the market has extended from this point. But if I take the other moves where the very significant bottoms and tops has created, so I'm just trying to connect the major turning points of the Nifty into history from the history of 2012. So almost 8 to 10 years history that we are considering. So my bottom up, and this is what the intermediate bottom that we have seen. And from that perspective, the market is approaching near to its an upside momentum, and right now we are at a 16,200 level. So from its we are at a 15,800 level and the 16,200 level. This is what it indicates. So this is what in a one swing from the different level, and in the same way we can do the permutation combinations. We can try to cover the many other important turning points. As of now, we are doing this exercise on the weekly chart. Secondly, if I look the Fibonacci extensions at another swings, let's say this is the bottom, this is what the peak that we have seen, and afterwards we have seen the very COVID decline over here, and we have seen the very strong upside momentum. If I release my Fibonacci extensions part, so it also shows near about by 16,300, 16,200 level around. So in a very close vicinity, the 16,200 level is getting repeated from a past two major extended levels. Now from the very shorter term perspective, if I'm also considering, and for that purpose I'm coming to the lower time frame. So this is what the immediate fall that has terminated declining momentum by 8%, and it was low, high, and intermediate low, and from that again we are seeing some kind of pickup into the momentum on the high side. So if I take the extension on the lower degree as well, so we can see a certain kind of extension. As of now, we are at an immediate resistance of 15,830, 850, we can say. Once 15,800 level is an immediate resistance, we can say. Once it is sticking out, and if we look at the next value, so it also somewhere somewhat around 16,200 level, we can say. So on the higher degree also, many of the points are indicating near about by 16,200 level. On the shorter degree also, the 16 immediate resistance that we are having, the 15,850, and thereafterward the 16,200 is an immediate resistance. So this particular level, 16,200 level, we are able to see from the multiple angles. So this is what in upside potentials we can say in a coming time. But negativity get triggered into the market, not just having a resistance, because in the positive trend it is in the nature of market, that means we see a certain kind of the breakouts of or a breach of a resistance levels. But unless and until the prices are sustaining or moving above, it's in a immediate support level. We can say that means index is into the positive momentum. So let's say from a very short term perspective, if I have to make a base in a recent context, so from past couple of days or in this particular week, prices has made its stability near about by 15,600 level. So from a very short term perspective, we can say that as far as the Nifty is above the 15,600 level, the things are fine. To make a little bit bigger view or a midterm perspective, so we need to look at the weekly charts for that. Let me look at the line chart. There is no immediate turning points that we are able to witness, but as far as the prices are above this level, which is acting as in a rule reversal kind of levels over here, that is in a 14,880 level, or else we can take this level as well of 14,500 level. So 14,500 to 14,800 level is the level for the midterm. As far as the prices are sustaining about this level, the things are fine. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.